I am a parent of a success story of Hailey Vogai, my daughter. Obviously, as a parent, a bit skeptical initially, but now I decided to come and share the success story with both parents and to the youths. Tell you the biggest thing that we were, thinking about and challenged us. The cost, the initial thing we're thinking was some cost by and big, but seeing Australian dollars, converting it to PNG Kina, and then I don't think the cost is the issue. It's about your commitment and how you put yourself in both the parent and the child as well. So the processes of Ferguson, the case officers assisting we are emailing Ferguson or email back. Okay, we've gone through this stage already. We refer you to the next case officer through visa application or through, we have to pay this fee, visa fees, and then we will pay consultation fee, and then finally the installment fee loan. Recently, she surprised us, her parents. She decided to buy her own ticket for a weekend. As soon as she arrived in Australia for a month, she found a casual job working with as a shop assistant. Mr. Ferguson, as a parent, I am a bit emotional, but thank you for that opportunity to my child, and I'm sure this opportunity will be shared with these young youths who are interested in seeing their face with the parents here. Thank you so much.